Ilang taon ka na, Lou?
I'm 21 years old po.
21. Anong pag-aaral ko?
Yes po, I'm second year college student, Bachelor in Science and Tourism Management po.
Anong height ko? Minus the 6-inch Jojo Rubay shoes.
I'm 5'9".
5'9". Minus na heels. Plus 6. Mapakipag-dip na. 5'9 plus 6. Ay, ganun ba? 6'3". So, 60 ka ngayon. Kaya ko naman tinanong umabot sa A3. Sarap. Anong favorite, hobby?
I love singing po and watching rom-com movies.
Ayan. Dahil wala naman tayo, hindi tayo pwede manood ng rom-com sa cinema. Pinagin ko lang CD. Pwede ba makarinig ko ng CD? Palapakan po natin si Lou.
Sudu. Okay, so bilang kabataan, ito hindi connected sa akin. Ito ko na yung isip ko bilang ko rin sinabi ko gusto ko malaman sa iyong point of view paano mo nalaman ng isang totoong radika sa isang fake news?
We can always check po online. Just like we use mobile phones for today, we can check availability so that we can check tama po ba yung sources na nakuha na online, and we can create a positive and safe place for online.
Okay, so ano ba masasabi kasi dito about the social media is yung nakakita kanina kayo uli. Masyado kasi hindi na yung current employment uli. Ay ibigay kasi natin sa naglalabas in some point of our lives, suffer or experience uli. Ano para sa iyo hanggang saan ba yung threshold o hanggang saan mo masasabi na ito ay bullying? Kasi parang di ba hindi mo ba naisip na parang overused yung word na bullying pagka kung minsan nabiro ka na o yun ako sa kanang pa yung iba like to say na it's bullying wait ko sa kanang pa bullying ka lang yun. Minsan naman pag sinabi, basta ka lang bakit wala kang boyfriend. Bullying ka lang yun. Para sa'yo, ano ba yung hanggang sa ano ba yung mararating mo? Paano mo sasabi na ito ay bullying na para sa'yo?
Well, I believe the jokes are meant to be funny. And if it's affecting everyone's mental health or as a person o na-affectan mo sila, I believe that's a form of bullying ako. And I want to take this opportunity din po na let's be considerate of everyone's feelings and emotion. And kung kaya po namin mag-adjust as long as we can adjust, let's adjust.
Okay. Lourdes from Paite. In combination of bullying, kasi parang inaasa nila ang bayad mo tas ang taas mo. So, ang question ko sa'yo, if you could change one thing in yourself, your appearance, or yourself, what will it be and why?
I can't think of any right now, pero siguro po I stay like this po na. Because I believe na magamit ko na yung type ko and what it who want to be. And I believe that this became my strength and my safety support so that people can remember me in this kind of pattern.
Hindi naman ito lang
One night po sa aking yes po. Ito po lang kami. Sometimes marami minsan po sa akin.
Curious lang ako, parang ipahagi natin ang person. Kung meron isang modeling offer sa'yo, pero kailangan tuloy yung group. Kasi I can see na isa sa iyong well-kept treasure ay ang iyong, silky black hair. At sabi yung client, hindi mo ito under hair na panganganggang shoulder at different. Will you do it?
Well, I respect my work po and I love what I'm doing right now. So, yes, I will.
Pag-ibo naman ang tayo. Okay, so yun muna ang question sa akin for today. Thank you so much. Tulad din mo kanina binanggit ng Jella. We look forward to seeing October 6 to 7. Mag-travel to our number of your private official candidates. And stay tuned. Look out for the negotiations in the Sunset and official package. Thank you very much to